Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall TikTok Pixel from Shopify. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin uninstalling the TikTok Pixel from your Shopify store, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Apps section in the left sidebar. Scroll down and click on Manage Apps. In the list of installed apps, look for the TikTok app. Click on the TikTok app to open its settings. On the Apps page, find the Settings tab or option. Within the settings, look for the option to remove or uninstall the TikTok Pixel. Click on the option to uninstall or disconnect the TikTok Pixel. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to uninstall. Confirm your action by clicking on the appropriate button. After you uninstall the Pixel, go to the Online Store section in the Shopify admin. Select Preferences from the drop-down menu. Scroll down until you find the section related to Facebook, Google, or other social media pixels. Make sure the TikTok Pixel ID is no longer listed. If it remains, delete the Pixel ID from the input field. Once you've removed the Pixel ID, scroll to the bottom of the page. Click on the Save button to apply your changes. Your TikTok Pixel is now successfully uninstalled from your Shopify store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.